The Indian smartphone brand AI Plus has launched its new entry-level smartphone in India called AI Plus Nova 2 with 5G support. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The new AI Plus Nova 2 5G sports a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a 50-megapixel camera under the squarish module at the top left corner. Under the hood, the AI Plus Nova 2 5G comes powered by Uni-SoC T8200 chipset paired with Mali G57 and C2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 18 watts charging support, but the user will get 10 watts charger inside the box, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with NXT Quantum OS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The AI Plus Nova 2 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 8,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 10,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 14th in black, blue, green, pink, and purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this AI Plus Nova 2 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.